How to retrieve Telegram account without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can retrieve Telegram account without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you have a Telegram account, maybe that was associated with one of the phone numbers, but then you happen to lose that phone number and now you don't have access to that phone number, but you would still like to use your Telegram account. Is that what you're saying? Well, to give you an idea, if you lost access to your phone number, you will no longer be able to get back into your account. Now you might say me that you might have added an email address to your two-step verification. Well, that email address can only be used to reset your password or for two-step verification purposes, not whenever you're trying to log in, because Telegram is a number-to-number basis application and Telegram will not give you access to someone else's account if you cannot have access to that particular phone number. Because if you can't prove an ownership of your own account by providing the phone number, even if you happen to lose it, because Telegram is not going to know that, according to them you need to have access to that phone number. So that's how it functions. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.